Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've ever struggled with weak threads, stripped mounting points, or flimsy screws that just won't hold, then today's tool might be the unsung hero your toolbox has been missing. I'm talking about the WETOLS Rivet Nut Toolkit, a manual, hand-powered solution designed to create strong, reliable threaded inserts in thin materials like sheet metal. Now, this isn't a flashy power tool, and it's definitely not something you see on every workbench, but its ability to permanently repair or enhance fastening points makes it surprisingly impactful. Whether you're into automotive mods, home fabrication, or just hate replacing screws every 6 months, Rivet Nuts offer a cleaner, longer-lasting fix. I've been putting this kit through its paces on several real-world repairs, and what started as curiosity has turned into genuine appreciation. So today, I'll walk you through how it stacks up in actual use, why it stands out where it falls short, and whether it's worth the space in your case. Let's dive in. Let me tell you, this WETOLS Rivet Nut Toolkit is one of those tools you don't realize you need until you actually have in your hands, and suddenly, you're wondering how you ever managed without it. I picked it up for a few upcoming projects around the garage and some light body work on my Jeep, and it's quickly become one of those go-to tools I didn't expect to reach for so often. The kit itself is impressively put together, a rugged blow mold case that feels solid, not like some flimsy plastic shell that's going to crack after 2 trips to the job site. Inside, everything has its place, 7 different mandrels covering both metric and SAE sizes, and a generous 70-piece assortment of rivnets. That kind of variety means you're covered for most common applications, whether you're working on automotive panels, mounting brackets inside an RV, or reinforcing something on a trailer. It's clear WETOLS thought about the user experience here. Everything from layout to tool access makes sense, especially if you value organization as much as I do. The real test, though, is how it performs in action, and I've got to say it delivers. I used it to install fender mounting points on my Jeep after a minor off-road scrape, and the process was surprisingly smooth. The 14-inch handle gives you great leverage, which means less strain on your hands and better control when pulling the rivet nuts tight. I sized up one M8 into the firewall for a grounding connection, same thing someone might do on an older vehicle with broken mounting tabs, and it seated perfectly in under a minute once I got the thread depth right. The tool operates manually, so no electricity or air compressor needed, which is a huge plus for someone like me who works in the driveway or remote spots. Just drill your hole, insert the rivnet, dial in the correct depth stop, and pull the handle. It's simple. Once you get the hang of it, it honestly felt easier than using a wrench and lock nut in tight spots. And that's the kind of efficiency you love when you're 3 hours into a project and trying to avoid frustration. Now, I will say, the learning curve is real if you've never used a rivet nut tool before. I didn't realize how easy it is to over-tighten and deform the rivnet if your depth setting is off. The first one I did? Yeah, I stripped the threads slightly because I didn't adjust the screw rod properly, but once I figured it out, thanks to a quick YouTube search, not the included manual, which could have been clearer, it became second nature. That's probably the one honest critique. The instructions are a little lacking. If you're new to this, don't expect a detailed walkthrough. Just expect to spend 10 minutes watching a tutorial online. The tool itself is straightforward once you get the mechanics down, but that first few uses might feel a bit awkward. That said, once you nail the setup, switching between mandrels is fast and tool-free, which I appreciate. No extra wrenches or screwdrivers needed. It's a small detail, but it keeps the workflow moving. Durability is always a concern with tools in this price range, and while most of my experience has been positive, I've noticed some mixed feedback based on heavier use. I've used it across about 30 installations so far, mostly light to medium duty work, and it's held up fine. The build feels solid, the ratcheting mechanism is smooth, and the case protects everything well. But I've heard from others and can imagine, depending on use, that constant heavy pulling might wear it down over time. For DIYers, weekend warriors, or even small job site fixes, it's absolutely reliable. But if you're planning to use it every single day in a commercial garage, you might want to look at industrial grade models. For most homeowners and hobbyists, though, this hits the sweet spot between performance and cost. And at $51, it's a solid value, especially when you factor in all the accessories. I actually used it to fix a freezer handle mounting bracket, and the repair probably saved me more than the tool cost. One of the things I really like is how versatile the kit feels. It's not just about rivet nuts. Depending on the head you swap in, you can handle standard rivets and even ream holes slightly if needed. That kind of multifunctionality helps reduce clutter in your toolbox, and let's be honest, we've all got tools we use twice a year taking up space. This one consolidates several jobs into one tool. I appreciate that efficiency, especially when working in tight spaces under a dash or inside a fender well, where maneuverability matters. Plus, the included assortment of rivnets covers the sizes I've actually needed, no running to the hardware store mid-project. That's peace of mind you don't always get with kits, which often skimp on the smaller, crucial pieces. In the end, the WETOLS Rivet Nut Toolkit has earned its spot in my regular rotation. It's well built, thoughtfully organized, and highly functional for the average DIYer or small scale repair work. It's not perfect, the instructions could be better, and I wouldn't trust it for constant industrial use, but for what it's designed to do, it does it very well. Whether you're installing custom mounts, repairing broken threads, or just want a more professional fastening solution than sheet metal screws, this kit delivers. It's the kind of tool that makes you think, I should have bought this years ago. I know I do. And for under 60 bucks, with everything included, that's hard to beat. If you're ready to fasten your future with better tools, don't just tighten up, take action. Smash that like button if this review helped you, and subscribe for more honest takes on gear that earns its place in your garage. Trust me, your next project deserves the right tools, and your channel deserves the best content. Let's build something great together.